First up, Getaway Glow, featuring warmth and soleil, the perfect pair to achieve that no makeup look. So I'll start out with cream blush in warmth, a mid-tone neutral bronze, on the hollows and apples of my cheeks for natural sculpt and to act as an anchor for powder blush to adhere to for maximum wearability. I love to use a contour highlighter brush to place color, buff, and blend, making sure to really switch back and forth between both ends for a more seamless look. So we have our depth and anchor, now it's time for dimension and shimmer. Soleil offers a hint of coral undertone with a beautiful bronze shimmer, and then when placed on top of warmth, cheeks are brought to life. With the same brush, I'm lightly sweeping Soleil right on top until I've achieved that bronzed glow. And with that, I'm done. Or am I? Warmth is such a multitasking shade and can be used for blush, bronzer, contour, and eyeshadow. So that's what we're going to do. For a light contour on my eyes and nose, I switch to the Detail Blender brush for precision and apply the shade from the crease of my eyes down the sides of my nose in one seamless motion. This cream formula blends so naturally into the skin and takes on a look of just a natural eyeshadow and contour. A powder blush can also be used in unexpected ways, like on the lips. To finish the look, a bronzed, hydrated lip with a bit of barrier balm and a light pat of Soleil on top adds this beautiful natural bronze shimmer. Next look, warm, vibrant peach hues with Sunset Serenade, which includes fig and spiceberry. Fig, a gorgeous warm terracotta, and spiceberry, a shimmery rose bronze. For that lit from within look, fig is placed right on the apples of my cheeks with the angled side of the angled complexion brush using a patting motion. To make the cheeks pop just a bit more, using that same brush, I'm stippling spiceberry right on top. For that perfect blend, just flip the brush around to the flat side and lightly feather in pigment. This helps fuse the two shades together and accentuate shimmer. Now to tie this color story onto the eyes and lips. Starting with the eyes, fig is buffed right onto my lids with the dual fiber eye brush for soft, lightweight application and product control. When using vibrant, cream-based products on the eyes, it does help to start with minimal product for the first layer, then go back and build if more color is desired. The same layering process that was done on my cheeks is now done to my eyes. Here with the same brush, I'm topping fig with spiceberry for not only added shimmer, but also to set fig in place for all-day wear. Because the eyes and cheeks are the main focus for this look, a simple pat of fig with my fingers to blend is all that's needed for a finishing touch on my lips. Now switching the tone up to a look that's on the cooler side with Rosé Rendezvous, featuring First Love and Sheer Petal. First Love, a true berry, and Sheer Petal, a bronzy plum. To apply First Love, my tool of choice is the Dual Foundation Camouflage Brush, which of course can be used in so many different ways from concealer to foundation, but today I'm using it for cream blush application. Here I'm also warming the product up with my fingers for a more natural blend. Next up, I'm adding cool tone shimmer and setting First Love with Sheer Petal using the Fan Highlighter Brush, another great option for soft and light-handed application. To play on that monochromatic theme that we all know is so popular right now, I'm bringing First Love up to my eyes, focusing pigment on the outer third and blending out towards the temples in an upward motion for a soft, tapered winged effect with the Crease Shader brush. To condition, smooth, plump, and hydrate lips, I prep with Lip Revival, then top with a small amount of First Love with my Crease Shader brush for that soft, rosy pout. Now, Pink Paradise with blush shades Guava and Sweet. Guava is this amazing vibrant watermelon, and Sweet adds beautiful gold shimmer with a peachy pink undertone. So starting out with Guava as my anchor, and I have to say the shade does pack a punch, so don't let it intimidate you. Believe me, once you try it, you'll fall in love. Just make sure you're controlling the amount of product and using a lightweight tool. So I chose the dual fiber eye brush on the center of the apples of my cheeks, then slowly worked outwards for a more flushed appearance. And here, I'm applying Sweet right on top with the same brush, focusing product a bit higher on the cheekbones for maximum highlight. By now, I think you know it doesn't stop there. A huge trend we're seeing everywhere are fun pops of color on the eyes, like liner and inner and outer corners of the eyes. And we've noticed one of the most popular shades used is pink. So Guava is an approachable pink to wear on the eyes because of the warm undertone it has. So here I'm applying it to the inner corners of my eyes for a fun accent with the petite smudge brush. Next up, using that same brush, I top with a little Sweet for highlight, and now patting the same shade on the center of my lids to tie the look together. Another trend we're seeing lately has been blotted, stained, and blurred lips, and the cream blush formula is perfect for this look. So here I'm dipping the tip of the dual fiber eye brush into Guava and just dusting my lips for a subtle wash of color. Then finishing with a dab of Sweet on the bow and center of the lips for a little shimmer effect.